Hi, this is Walter. It is Tuesday, November 13th, and Microsoft Patch Tuesday again. This time around, we've got 6 bulletins covering a total of 19 CVEs. There are 4 critical rated updates which address 13 vulnerabilities in Microsoft Windows, IE, and .NET Framework. 1 rated important will address 4 vulnerabilities in Microsoft Office, and 1 moderate that will address 2 issues in Microsoft Windows. So let's start out with MS-12-076. These are the vulnerabilities in Microsoft Excel. It's rated important. 4 vulnerabilities are addressed by the update. Any of the vulnerabilities can be triggered by a user opening a specially crafted Excel file. An attacker just needs to get the user to open the specially crafted file via web or email. So in general, be wary. Don't open files from untrusted or unexpected sources. Also, Excel 2013 is not affected. MS-12-073, the vulnerabilities in Microsoft IIS, which could allow for information disclosure. It's rated moderate. Affects operational log for IIS, which is not enabled by default. The attacker would have to have valid login credentials and be able to log on locally to exploit this as well. So, MS-12-072, vulnerabilities in Windows Shell. This is rated critical. The update addresses 2 vulnerabilities. Can be exploited if a user opened a crafted briefcase file sent via email, or if they opened a crafted briefcase file browsing with Windows Explorer. So more being wary of files from untrusted or unknown sources. This also affects Windows 8 users. Now, what is Windows Briefcase? So Windows Briefcase is a feature that will synchronize the contents of 2 folders. And Briefcase is going to help users sync folders between devices such as USB thumb drives and PCs. Alright, MS-12-074, these are the vulnerabilities in .NET Framework. This is also rated critical. There's a handful of vulnerabilities addressed by this update. A number of previous bulletins are replaced by this. There is a lot going on in this bulletin. So we've got it all the way from Windows XP up to and including Windows 8, RT, and Windows Server 2012. So this is one where I'm not going to do it justice in 30 seconds. Take a few minutes to review the bulletin and understand the impact to your specific situation. It could be as simple as an elevation of privilege and information disclosure all the way up to remote code execution, but that's going to depend on your OS version and .NET version. All right, then we've got MS-12-075, vulnerabilities in Windows kernel mode drivers. This is also rated critical. This is on your must-patch list. CVE 2012-2897. Is the font parsing vulnerability specifically. This one could be exploited remotely. The other 2 require the attacker to be able to log onto the affected system in order to exploit the vulnerability. Alright, and the last one, MS-12-071. This is the cumulative security update for IE. It is rated critical. This is also on the must-patch list. It's actually critical for IE9 on Windows clients and moderate for IE9 on Windows Server. So IE 6, 7, 8, and 10 are not affected. As far as attack vectors, we've got an attacker could host a malicious website and then convince the user to view it, or an attacker could also embed an ActiveX control marked safe for initialization in an application or Office document that hosts the IE rendering engine. So there you go. That is the roundup for this month. I got some things going on, so we'll see you next time. Remember, it's always about the security.